In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use credit back in Temu. Credit back in Temu is essentially a reward that you earn through various promotions, events, or giveaways. Once you earn this credit back, it gets added directly to your Temu wallet as a credit balance. This can then be used to make future purchases on the platform, offering a convenient way to offset some of your shopping expenses. Understanding how to utilize this feature effectively can enhance your overall shopping experience and help you save money on things you love. So let's dive in. First things first, head to the Temu website. Once you land on the homepage, you'll want to locate the sign in or register button, which can usually be found at the top of the page. If you're already a member, go ahead and log into your Temu account. If you're new to Temu, you'll need to go through the quick and easy registration process to set up your account. This will involve providing some basic information, creating a password, and confirming your email address. Now that you're logged in, it's time for the more exciting part, shopping. Browse through the vast array of items available on Temu. Whether you're in the mood for some new clothes, the latest tech gadgets, or anything in between, you'll find a huge selection to choose from. Once you find the items you want to purchase, simply add them to your cart. This process will be the same as any typical online shopping experience, where you select the products and choose the quantity before adding them to your cart. After you've placed all your items in your cart, click on the cart icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to a summary page where you can review all the items you've selected, check the quantities, and make any last-minute changes if needed. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click on the checkout button. On the checkout page, you'll see several options for payment. Look for the option to apply your Temu wallet balance, which will include any credit back funds you have accrued. You've arrived at a crucial step, so make sure you focus here. You can select the Temu wallet or the credit back option as your preferred method of payment. The available credit back amount will be automatically applied, or you may need to confirm or choose it depending on the settings you have. And that's it. You've successfully used Temu credit back to complete your purchase. Typically, the remaining balance, if any, after applying the credit back, would require you to pay the difference through another payment method. Using credit back is a fantastic way to make the most of the rewards and promotions offered by Temu. It's straightforward and can be an effective way to reduce your spending on the platform. Now you're all set to enjoy your purchase, knowing you've made good use of your Temu rewards.